A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel MPSC Easy Learning, and this is Advocate Sabira Mistry. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing the importance of previous year questions. So, if you're a rookie and just started with the MPSC preparation, at some point of time, you must have searched toppers videos on YouTube in order to get a direction or like how these people have done it. One thing which is common in every topper video is previous year question analysis. Now, if someone says that previous year question analysis is extremely important, why do they say so? First reason is almost 30 to 40% of the questions or topics are repeated from the previous year questions. This is the reason why it plays an extremely vital role in order to score well in the paper. If you see, your cutoff is 50 to 60%. Okay, and अगर आपका previous year question analysis पे command अच्छा है, 30 to 40% questions are repeated, right? So इतने question तो आपके sure shot हो गए. You need to know only 20%. Second reason why students usually consider when they start preparing for this exam, they consider कि first step to qualify an exam is to start studying. Study तो important है ही, there is no other way to it, but the first stage, before starting study, the first stage is you have to do your previous year question analysis very properly. So this is the reason why I have come up with this series. And third reason why PYQ is important is because this helps you to selective read a particular subject. For example, if I say biology, okay, biology has the circulatory system or nervous system and all of it. But if I have about 20 topics, how will I understand किसको मैं first priority दूँ? Like I've always said, plant classification, animal classification and diseases, ये सब जो है ये आपके first priority में होने चाहिए. How am I saying this? A person can say this only after they have done the previous year question analysis. अगर if for example if I'm talking about history, okay, it comprises of two parts as we all know, Maharashtra history and modern history. But when I'm saying इस पे आपका ज़्यादा फोकस होना चाहिए, this should be your first priority and this should be a second priority. ये मैं कैसे बोल रही हूँ? Because महाराष्ट्र हिस्ट्री से आपको 12 से 13 क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं और मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री मोस्टली आपके सबके बुक लिस्ट में मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री के स्पेक्ट्रम होगा, आई गेस 500 से 600 पेज, राइट? इतना पढ़ने के बाद भी यहाँ से आपको 2 से 3 मैक्सिमम 5 इतने क्वेश्चन मिल रहे हैं. So it means more than half of your history part of the paper, it consists of Maharashtra history. That is why I can say, that Maharashtra history is extremely important. Likewise, if we talk about polity, okay, आपके book list में लक्ष्मीकांत होंगी. Here you got so many topics in polity, right? But if I'm saying preamble is extremely important, FR, that is fundamental right, extremely important, DPSP extremely important, इन पे focus होना ही चाहिए, emergency. How am I able to say this? I am able to say this after I have done my previous year question analysis. So this is the reason why forms an indispensable part of your preparation. इसको कभी ignore मत कीजिएगा, because then what will happen is your preparation will be a mess and you won't be able to score marks. So in today's lecture we'll be learning how to do question paper analysis, and in today's lecture I have taken combined PSI pre 2011 and ये पूरा सीरीज चलने वाला है, ओके, फ्रॉम 2011 वील गो टू 2023. सो आपका एक पूरा होलसम प्रेपरेशन हो जाएगा ऑफ द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. So please make your notes also while watching the lecture, and if you want the PDF of this analysis notes, you can message us on WhatsApp and we will forward you the same, or you can even get in touch with us on Telegram. So here I've put up a snapshot of certain questions of combined pre 2011. This is how usually students do the previous year question analysis. Okay, question 26 टेरिडोफाइटा के बारे में पूछा है, that which of this इज नॉट फ्रॉम द क्लास ऑफ टेरिडोफाइटा, वो फिर अपना आंसर की देखेंगे. इट इज 26 का आंसर क्या है 2, तो ये है आंसर. 27 द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव मेथड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इन बैक्टीरिया इज डैश, इसका आंसर की में क्या है आंसर 3, बाइनरी फिशन इसका आंसर है. मलेरिया डिजीज इज कॉज्ड बाय डैश, आंसर क्या है 1, प्लाज्मोडियम. दिस इज एक्सट्रीमली रॉन्ग, प्लीज डू नॉट डू लाइक दिस. Everyone has asked you to do analysis and I have not asked you to read the paper. There is a vast difference between both of them. Prokaryotic cells are found in bacteria. Okay, the answer is bacteria. Here if I see this question, the thing that I need to know is prokaryotic cells, they are usually primitive. आपने stone age primitive man सुना होगा. primitive मतलब the one who is not that advanced, not advanced. ये आएगा आपका prokaryotic cell. If I say eukaryotic cell, okay, eukaryotic cells are well advanced. Where do you find prokaryotic cells? They are usually seen in unicellular organisms, and eukaryotic uni as well as multi. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria, they are यहीं पे. And if someone asks you eukaryotic cells के examples क्या है, amoeba, hydra and RBC, that is red cell. Okay, now they have asked you prokaryotic cells. In next paper they can ask you eukaryotic cells are found in dash, and this can be in your options. इससे ये पता चलता है we need to know about eukaryotic, prokaryotic and the examples. इसका डिफरेंस भी पता होना ज़रूरी है. Second question, alcoholism causes deficiency of dash, thiamine, retinol, niacin, ascorbic acid. Your answer is thiamine. If you watched my reel on YouTube, you already know retinol. What is the name? Which vitamin is this? It is vitamin A. Ascorbic acid कौन सा vitamin है? It is vitamin C. Here you just need to keep this in your mind. Next question, human being is unable to digest cellulose or vegetables because dash enzyme is not made available in his stomach. Cellulase, pepsin, cellulin, cellulase. Your answer is cellulase. एंड पेप्सिन कहाँ पाया जाता है? पेप्सिन पाया जाता है आपका स्टमक में. एंड पेप्सिन डाइजेस्ट्स प्रोटीन्स. दिस इज समथिंग विच यू मस्ट कीप इन योर माइंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई गिव इट दिस अ 2 star. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट फ्रॉम द क्लास ऑफ टेरिडोफाइटा? फिलिसिने, मस्की, लाइकोपोडियम, इक्विसेटिने. Your answer is musky. Firstly, please note this down. Plant classification, like I've already said, this question is from plant classification. So हमें ये पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है first priority में. Has to be studied. Please exam देने मत जाइएगा without studying this. Alright? Every year, okay, if you pick up any year question paper, you will definitely find question on the plant classification. If we see the most important points which you must know from the concept of Pteridophyta is that Pteridophyta is the first plant kingdom to have a well-developed vascular system of xylem and phloem. Please keep this point in your mind, okay? That which is the first plant kingdom to have a well-developed vascular system? That is Pteridophyta. इस पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं ये पॉइंट पे. Like they ask you which is the first plant kingdom to have a well-developed vascular system, and you will have Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, Thallophyta, and Gymnosperm. So your answer will be Pteridophyta. Certain examples are Filicine, Lycopodium, Equisetine. Musky नहीं है यहाँ पे. So ये क्वेश्चन से पता चलता है टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट है प्लांट क्लासिफिकेशन. यू नीड टू नो द बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट टेरिडोफाइटा and you need to know the examples as well. And if we say musky, ये कौन से आपके प्लांट किंगडम में आता है? तो ये आता है आपके ब्रायोफाइटा में. ब्रायोफाइट. मस्की लाइक द नॉर्मल लेमैन लैंग्वेज होता है, दैट इज मॉस. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मलेरिया डिजीज इज कॉज्ड बाय डैश. Plasmodium, planaria, filaria, or ralia? Your answer is option 1, Plasmodium. And if we see the most important points from biology perspective, okay, malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax. And if they ask you what kind of a disease is malaria, malaria is a protozoal disease. इस पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं, प्लीज़ कीप इन योर माइंड दैट दे आस्क यू डेंगू कौन से मस्कीटो से होता है, मलेरिया कौन से मस्कीटो से होता है. सो मलेरिया इज कॉज्ड बाय फीमेल एनोफिलिस मस्कीटो. एंड विच ड्रग, बाय ड्रग आई मीन विच मेडिसिन इज गिवन फॉर मलेरिया, इट इज आर्टिमेसिनिन. एंड विच ऑर्गन्स आर अफेक्टेड, it is liver and spleen. Recently, from current affair perspective as well, malaria has been in news. Okay, so which is the first country to adopt malaria vaccine? It is Ghana. Okay, the country Ghana. And what is the name of the vaccine? It is Mosquirix. If you have done your current affair analysis, आपको ये ज़रूर पता होगा, आजकल वैक्सीन पे बहुत क्वेश्चन आते हैं, right? So if we do the analysis, what is important, ये आपके disease topic में आता है. First priority, very important topic for science biology part. आपको disease पढ़ के जाना है. And अगर disease का नाम पूछा है, you need to know it is caused by what, the causing agent. And from current affair perspective also they can ask you. Next question, 29. The percentage of carbon in biogeochemical cycle is dash 0.03, 0.33, 0.003. Your answer is 0.03. Here option analysis not required because it is a number data. Okay, so just keep the 0.03 in your mind. Next question, which eye defect arises due to slight elongation of eyeball? Option A, myopia, hypermetropia, color blindness, presbyopia. So slight elongation eyeball में ना, it happens in myopia. So now we need to know about all these four terms, right? Option analysis भी तो करना है. So myopia is also known as short-sightedness. What does short-sightedness means? It means कि मुझे नज़दीक की चीज़ें दिखती है लेकिन मुझे दूर की चीज़ें नहीं दिखती. And if you have this eye defect, what happens is there is a slight elongation of your eyeball. Image कहाँ form होता है यहाँ? In myopia, image is formed in the front of the retina. Okay. And if you have this eye defect, so which lens is used to correct this eye defect? It is concave lens. Please focus on the lens. They usually ask कि if you have myopia, so which lens is used, or if you have hypermetropia, what kind of lens is used. So please keep this concave lens in your mind. Okay. Second point, ये हो गया आपका myopia analysis. Then we move on to hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as long-sightedness. Like we studied, इधर elongation होता है तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ flattening of eyeball हो रहा है. In myopia, the image is formed in the front of the retina, and in hypermetropia, the image is formed behind the retina. Lens 3 star, very very important. Eye defect पूछते हैं, so there they ask you कौन सा lens use करते हैं. Okay, so convex lens is used to correct this eye defect. What kind of lens? Convex lens. And in myopia, what kind of lens? Concave lens. इससे आपका hypermetropia का analysis हो गया. Now we move on to presbyopia. What is the meaning of presbyopia first stage? First of all, presbyopia होता है आपके old age में. Okay. And what kind of lens is used to correct this eye defect? Bifocal lens. You must have seen, you know, in your grandfather's or grandmother's lens. For example, if this is the specs, so यहाँ पे you know you will see something like this. So these kind of lens are known as bifocal lens. And इससे आपका presbyopia का analysis हो गया. Now we move on to color blindness. What kind of a disease is color blindness? Is it a bacterial disease, or is it a viral disease, or is it a contagious disease? None of it. It is a hereditary disease. Inherently आपको ये disease हो जाती है. These अभी यहाँ से हमने अपना option analysis कर लिया. ये कौन से topic से है? ये topic है आपका light, which comes in physics. ये आपका फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी है, लाइट. ओके, बिना लाइट पढ़े फिजिक्स के पार्ट में आप एग्ज़ाम देने मत जाइएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सोल्यूशन ऑफ डैश इन वाटर इज कॉल्ड विनेगर. मेथिलेटेड स्पिरिट, एसिटिक एसिड, एसिटल्डिहाइड, इथेनॉल. यहाँ ऑप्शन एनालिसिस नॉट नेसेसरी, जस्ट कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. एसिटिक एसिड, दिस इज नोन एज विनेगर, जो आपके चाइनीज़ बनाने में यूज़ होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज आर डैश. CH4 and CO2, CH4 and C2H6, C2H2 and C2H6, CO2 and C2H6. Your option analysis not required. Direct answer important है CH4 है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, CH4 मीथेन. Next question, in photosynthesis green plants convert solar energy into dash energy. Option A mechanical, option 2 chemical, option 3 atomic और option 4 electric. Green plants solar energy converted in chemical energy. Electric तो हो ही नहीं सकता. प्लांट से आपको कौन सी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल रही है? Atomic no, mechanical no. So you have to keep chemical in your mind. The dilute solution of acetic acid is called as dash. एथिलीन, बेंजीन, पैराफिन, विनेगर. इट इज विनेगर. एसिटिक एसिड का इसके पहले भी हमने देखा. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला, केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड? इट इज CH3COOH. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इससे आपका साइंस का पार्ट खत्म हो जाता है. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू हिस्ट्री. First question of the history part, which revolution had a great effect on Indian workers organization? American Revolution, French Revolution, Russian Revolution, Industrial Revolution. It is Russian Revolution. This is from your modern history. Okay. Your option analysis not required. Only you need to know the answer. Next question is, give an appropriate chronology. So ये जो series events हुए हैं, so you have to place them from जो पहले हुआ है, second, third and fourth, ऐसे order में place करना. First one you got is foundation of Gadar Party, episode of Chauri Chaura, gallows of Khudiram Bose and the revolt of Moplus. Your answer is option 4, CADB. But आपका एनालिसिस यहाँ ख़त्म नहीं होता है. You need to study these 4 points in depth. Okay. First is Gadar Party, right? So Gadar Party was formed in 1930. Headquarter कहाँ है पार्टी का? सैन फ्रांसिस्को. Please keep this in your mind. इस पे क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी पूछा है. Members Lala Hardayal Singh and others. There are many other members, but I only added Lala Hardayal Singh. The reason behind this is क्योंकि इन पे ना क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. That is the reason why I just added the most important ones. And earlier गदर पार्टी तो नाम है, इसके पहले इसका नाम क्या था? इसका नाम था पैसिफिक कोस्टल हिंदुस्तान एसोसिएशन. सेकेंड पॉइंट, चौरी चौरा. चौरी चौरा कभी हुआ था? 1922 में. प्लीज कीप द ईयर्स इन योर माइंड एज वेल. ओके. एमपीएससी क्वेश्चन आपके ईयर्स पे भी पूछते हैं, इनका फोकस होता है ईयर पे. लाइक व्हेन वाज समथिंग स्टार्टेड, या कोई इंसिडेंट कौन से साल में हुई थी, और यू नो इफ समवन किसी को फांसी लगा दिया था, सो दैट ईयर. ऑल दीज काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर इन देयर फोकस. फेवरेट क्वेश्चन होते हैं उनके. सो वेयर डिड दिस इंसिडेंट टेक प्लेस? दिस इंसिडेंट टेक प्लेस एट गोरखपुर इन यूपी, एंड अ पुलिस स्टेशन वॉज सेट ऑन फायर in which 22 policemen died. This is the most important point. हमेशा पूछते हैं, फेवरेट हाथ डाल के रखिए. चौरी चौरा कॉज द एंड ऑफ विच मूवमेंट? ओके. सो चौरी चौरा कॉज द एंड ऑफ द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. एंड यहाँ पे ऑप्शन उनका सिविल डिसोबीडियंस वगैरह सब भी रहता है, तो वहाँ कंफ्यूज होना नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉन कॉपरेशन. ओके. Then the next point we had was of Mopla revolt, right? So whenever a revolt, if you are studying a revolt, first thing what you need to know is the year, location कहाँ हुआ है, reason. These are the most important points. Even members. So if we see Mopla revolt, this revolt is also known as Malabar revolt. And in which year? It took place in the year 1921. Where did it take place? It took place at Kerala. And what was the reason behind this revolt? The reason behind this revolt was that it was against the British authorities in regards to their revenue system. And then the last point which you had was of Khudiram Bose. इन्हें फांसी कौन से साल में लगाया गया था? 1908. अभी फांसी लगाया गया है. You need to know for which case. It was the Muzaffarpur conspiracy case. Alright? And he is the India's youngest martyr. If we see, आपका ये है आपका 1913 में, चौरी चौरा है आपका 1922 में, Khudiram Bose, gallows of Khudiram Bose in which year? 1908, and Mopla revolt 1921. ये होता है आपका फर्स्ट, ये होता है आपका सेकंड, ये होता है आपका थर्ड, and this is your fourth. That is why our option 4 is right. Next question. What was the object of Wahhabi movement? Spreading education among Muslims, unity of all Muslims in the world, to oppose Hindu, or to establish the Muslim rule? Your answer is option 4. To establish the Muslim rule. This was the object of the Wahhabi movement. Wahhabi movement, here if we see, it is also known as Wali-Ullah movement. Okay, and in which year did this movement take place? It took place in the year 1820. These 2 points are important. Next question. The economic policy of the British was known as dash. Wealth of nation, drain of wealth, both 1 and 2, none of them. Your answer is option 2, drain of wealth. See, ये तो ऐसे ही निकल जाता है, because a policy like ये भी नाम से not possible. It is any one name. So the answer is drain of wealth. और ये theory किसने दी थी? Drain of wealth theory, it was by दादाभाई नवरोजी. This is something which you must keep in your mind. इन पे question बनते हैं. Next question. The commercialization of agriculture means dash. To produce the cash crops, to establish industry in agriculture, to sell and purchase the agriculture, or to produce traditional crops. Your answer is option 1, to produce cash crops. What are some examples of cash crops? Sugarcane, right? Then you got cotton as well. Your option analysis not necessary, just know the answer. Next question. Who was the first Indian thinker who firmly stated that British economical policy was responsible for the poverty of Indians? Like I told you, ये जो policy है, इसके पहले भी हमने पढ़ा था. It was given by whom? Drain of wealth theory. It was given by दादाभाई नवरोजी, right? So your answer is option 1, दादाभाई नवरोजी. Your option analysis not required. ये लेकिन ये ज़रूर याद रखिएगा, जो है आपका ड्रेन ऑफ वेल्थ, इट इज़ गिवन बाय whom? इट इज़ गिवन बाय दादाभाई नवरोजी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 3 stars. रिसेंटली MPSC का इस पे फोकस रहा है, especially the format of asking question has changed. It is not one liner anymore. They give you in match the pairs. Okay, so please study it from this aspect as well. Who was the president of the first session of Indian National Congress at Mumbai? 1. Alan Octavian Hume, Surendranath Banerjee, Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee, or Swatantraveer Savarkar? Your answer is option 3. Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee was the president of the first session of INC at Mumbai. Some important facts about the first session are that first session हुआ कहाँ पे था? मुंबई में हुआ था, but exactly कहाँ मुंबई में? It is Gokuldas Tejpal College. One interesting fact about this is the Gokuldas Tejpal College, ये कहाँ पे है? It is like close to the Ambani's house, which is, if I'm not wrong, it is Antalya, right? वहाँ नज़दीक में है ये college. And the date कभी हुआ था आपका फर्स्ट INC मीटिंग सेशन? 28 December 1885. डेट भी याद रखिए. थर्ड पॉइंट, इट वॉज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस एट पुणे. सो ये पुणे में होने वाला था आपका फर्स्ट सेशन, बट पुणे में प्लेग हुआ. दैट इज द रीजन दे शिफ्टेड इट टू मुंबई. एंड टोटल मेंबर्स कितने थे? आई गिव अ 3 स्टार बिकॉज इस पर क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी आया है एंड इट वॉज अ वेरी क्लोज क्वेश्चन, यू नो. एक पॉइंट पे था दैट द टोटल मेंबर्स वर 73. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको 100 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने होते हैं 60 मिनट्स में. उसमें इतना प्रेशर रहता है 70 to 73, यू नो, इट ऑल सीम्स द सेम, बट देयर आस्क्ड दैट टोटल मेंबर्स वर 73, तो वो ऑप्शन रॉन्ग था एंड द आंसर इज 72. नाउ इफ यू सी द प्रेसिडेंट, और अगर आपने मेरा रील देखा होगा, सो द ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट, you know, the precedence of INC is what do black goats want. By what I mean व्योमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी. D से दादा भाई नवरोजी. ओके. ब्लैक से आता है आपका बदीरुद्दीन तैयब जी. गोट्स जॉर्ज यूल and W से विलियम वेल्डरबर्न. So this is how, you know, you can remember it, और इस पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं in the format of match the pair. Next question, Dash established the India House in London. लाला हरदयाल, like I told you, you know, इनका नाम हमेशा पूछा जाता है. स्वतंत्र वीर सावरकर, श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा और सुभाष चंद्र बोस. Your answer is श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा. Your option analysis is not necessary, but you need to analyze this part. That India House was established by whom? Shyamji Krishna Varma, like we just saw. And in which year? They also ask question on the year, okay? 1905 में हुआ था, लंदन में. लंदन भी याद रखिए. And newspaper कौन सा था? There was one newspaper which was started by Shyamji Krishna Varma. The name of the newspaper is Indian Sociologist. Next question. British government hanged Madan Lal Dhingra in which year? I told you, right? Year पे if something has been established, revolt या किसी को, you know, hang किया गया है, इस पे question बनते हैं and they focus on the year. So Madan Lal Dhingra was hanged in 1909. Some important facts about Madan Lal Dhingra, okay? This is not required. If someone has been hanged, you need to know the reason. Reason पे question बनते हैं. So the reason is for the assassination of Curzon Wyllie. Please keep this name in your mind and the year. Next question. Who worked for upliftment of Dalits by establishing Dalit Sangh in 1906? First, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, शाहू महाराज, विठल रामजी शिंदे और सयाजीराव गायकवाड़. Your answer is option 3, Vittal Ramji Shinde established Dalit Sangh in 1906. Please keep this in your mind. They can ask you a single line of question on this. Your option analysis में we come to know is Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, right? Your Shahu Maharaj and Sayajirao Gaikwad. If these people are there in your option, इससे ये पता चलता है these are also important people, और इस पे question 100% बनेंगे. So you have to study these people as well, the work also done by them. Alright. Next question. Vishnu Shastri Chiplunker, B.G. Tayok and G.G. Agarkar started New English School at Pune in 1880. Option A. Option B is Vishnu Shastri Chiplunker, B.G. Tayok and G.G. Agarkar started New English School at Pune in 1881. A is true but B is false. B is true but A is false. Both are false, both are true. See, ये तो आपका निकल ही जाता है. A same, you know, one only thing, how can it be established in 2 different years? So ये निकल जाता है and your answer is A is true but B is false. This is right. So what is the right thing is Chiplunkar, Tilak and Agarkar started New English School at Pune in 1880. Next question. By which act untouchability was ended? All of us know the answer for this. It is 1955 Act. Okay. योर ऑप्शन एनालिसिस नॉट नेसेसरी, डायरेक्ट जॉब का ये है, ये एसेंशियल है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर द एजुकेशन ऑफ अनटचेबल्स महात्मा फुले started the school at Vethalpet, Pune in the year dash. Your answer is 1852. This is not required. Like I told you in the previous question of Vittal Ramji Shinde, Phule is important. See, here you have got a question on Mahatma Phule. So जिसका भी नाम social reformers का नाम आता है आपके options में, you have to study them as well. Okay? So the school at Vethalpet by Mahatma Phule was started in which year? 1852. Please keep this entire data in your mind, including the year. Dash opposed the Parda system and polygamy in Muslim society. Your answer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question. What was the one and only object behind the work of social workers? I am purposely underlining this, okay? Please read this again. It is social workers. Now we'll see the option. Establishment of new society based on humanity, to oppose the British government, to inculcate religious emotions, to advocate democracy in India. See, to oppose the British government वो social workers है and not revolutionaries, right? The option question में लिखा है social workers and not revolutionaries, so ये ऑप्शन आपका निकल जाता है. टू इनकलकेट रिलीजियस इमोशंस, यहाँ पे सोशल वर्कर्स दिया है एंड नॉट रिलीजियस वर्कर्स, निकल गया ये भी. टू एडवोकेट डेमोक्रेसी इन इंडिया, सी अगेन आई एम सेइंग यहाँ सोशल वर्कर्स दिया है एंड नॉट पॉलिटिकल वर्कर्स. 3 ऑप्शन निकल गए और आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ न्यू सोसाइटी बेस्ड ऑन ह्यूमैनिटी. Also see this question, no, this point you will not find in any book. ये है आपका logic से जो बनता है question. Also one more way, you know how some people they solve it, like ये I don't think it's a foolproof thing but sometimes it works, that जो लंबा सबसे लंबा option होता है ना उनको वो टिक करके आ जाते हैं. That is how you one way you could solve this. Next question, to stop the practice of child marriage, Gopal Ganesh Agarkar put his side by writing an article in Kesari that question mark. Society should ban this practice. Law should ban this practice. This practice should be stopped by spreading women education. Hindu religion should take initiative to stop this practice. See, option 3 and option 4 is already gone. The reason behind this is this two is the same, right? Same, ditto है copy. Law should, society should. इसका मतलब है यहाँ ये दोनों में से आपका आंसर है. ओके, कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. ये ट्रिक आप ज़रूर अपने एग्जाम में लगाइएगा. सी, आपका जो पेपर होता है टिल अ सर्टन पार्ट ओनली, नो एवरीवन नोज द आंसर्स. आफ्टर दैट दिस ट्रिक एंड योर लॉजिक, ये 2 चीज़ आपको पास करा देंगे. सो प्लीज़ ट्राई बिल्डिंग अप लॉजिक. रोड लर्निंग, हिस्ट्री वो तो है ही, वो करना ही है, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो इसेंशियल. सो योर आंसर इज लॉ शुड बैन दिस प्रैक्टिस. इससे ये पता चलता है गोपाल गणेश आगरकर इज अ सोशल रिफॉर्मर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन. इन पे क्वेश्चन आएंगे आपके पेपर में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मराठी ड्रामा तृतीय रत्न वॉज रिटन बाय क्वेश्चन मार्क. महर्षि कर्वे, महात्मा फुले, दादोबा पांडुरंग, विष्णु शास्त्री, पंडित. योर आंसर ओवर हियर इज महात्मा फुले. तृतीय रत्न वॉज रिटन बाय महात्मा फुले. विच ईयर पे भी क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट टाइम नेक्स्ट ईयर में वो पूछाएंगे. इट इज़ 1855. जैसे क्वेश्चन में लिखा है, इट वॉज अ मराठी ड्रामा प्ले. ओके, एंड वॉट डिड इट एड्रेस, काय के बारे में ये प्ले था. सो इट वॉज इन रिगार्ड्स टू वेरियस सोशल इशूज and how Dalits were treated. We all know Dalits were not treated well, and in order to bring about awareness of basic human rights, this was the aim of this play. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है from this question the thing that we come to know is, if we are studying a social reformer, for example Phule, we need to know the works also of him. Question works पे बनते हैं. This is how every social reformer you read, you need to know the works done by him. If any books are written, 110% उस पे क्वेश्चन बनेंगे. And remaining 3 people, Maharshi Karve, important, you have to study him. दादोबा पांडुरंग, important, पढ़ना ज़रूरी है. And 4th is विष्णु शास्त्री पंडित. Very important people, especially like very important social reformers. You need to know their data. Next question. Agarkar was a well-wisher of Pandita Ramabai's organization. Which organization? They have asked the name. Okay, so the name of the organization is Sharda Sadan. यहाँ पे पंडिता रमाबाई के बारे में पूछा है. सो वी नीड टू नो सम इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट हर. पंडिता रमाबाई वॉज born on 23rd April 1858. She was the first woman to be awarded the title of Pandita. Important. She married to Bipin Bihari Medvi, who was a lawyer, and she established Sharda Sadan in 1889. Please keep this year in your mind. And one more important thing is, she was conferred the award of Kesar-e-Hind. Pandita Ramabai is a very important social reformer from Maharashtra perspective. If I'm not wrong, आप 2021 कंबाइन उठा के देख लीजिए, इन पे आई गेस 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन बने हैं just from her. And one of the questions was that she was awarded which one, Kesar-e-Hind, Kesar-e-Hindu, Kesar-e-Hindi, ऐसा ऑप्शन था. See, just one word से you're getting 1 mark. For a normal student 1 mark might mean nothing, but if you have prepared for a long time, you know कि ये 1 mark ना बनाने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. स्पेशली लाइक पॉलिटिव व्यू से इतना पढ़ने के बाद यू गेट दोस 10 मार्क्स. एक मार्क का कीमत यहाँ पे है. सो अगेन आई एम रिइटरेटिंग, सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स फॉर्म अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर महाराष्ट्र हिस्ट्री. आपने अपने आंखों से ही देखा, राइट? अभी हमने कितने मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री के देखे, ज़्यादा नहीं देखे, बट वी सॉ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑन सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स. इसका एक लिस्ट बनाइए, ओके, एंड स्टडी देम प्रॉपर्ली. Next question. What was the name of the boarding school established for untouchable students by Rajashri Shahu Maharaj? Victoria Hostel, Miss Clark Hostel, S.M. Fraser Hostel, Shri Fitzgerald Hostel. Your answer is option 2, Miss Clark Hostel. You're very important person. Questions are asked on him always. The next question is, on which topic the essay written by Muktai, a 14 years old girl in Mahatma Phule's school, was based on? Okay, social condition, religious condition, women condition, educational condition. Here your answer is option 2, religious condition. Now, certain important points from this question perspective is that Muktai, जो यहाँ पे लिखा है, she is usually referred to as Mukta Salve. Okay, and यहाँ पे essay के बारे में लिखा है. So they can ask you what was the name of the essay. The name of the essay was Mahar Mangja Dukha Vishay. Mahar Mang, and this essay was published in the newspaper Gyanodaya. This is important. Again, we are finding the social reformer named Mahatma Phule. Very important. Please do study him. Next question. Maharshi Karve was a professor of mathematics in Dash College at Pune. Your answer is FC, Ferguson College. Here, this is not required analysis. Just remember this. Okay. Next question. Maharshi Karve started an institution in 1936 to spread education among villages. Dash. Institution का नाम पूछा है. महिला विद्यालय, अनाथ बालिकाश्रम, ग्राम प्राथमिक शिक्षण मंडल, समता मंच. Here, I would like to please read the Marathi part. Okay. महर्षी कर्वे यांनी ग्रामीण भागात शिक्षण परिसर करण्यासाठी 1936 मध्ये संस्था उघडली. नेम ऑफ द संस्था महिला विद्यालय, अनाथ बालिकाश्रम, ग्राम प्राथमिक शिक्षण मंडळ, समता मंच. हियर पर्पसली आई हैव मार्क्स ग्रामीण. ग्रामीण है रिलेटेड टू विलेज, ग्राम यहाँ पे है, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. Here this is not essential, just keep this in your mind. In next paper they can ask you Gram Prathimik Shikshan Mandal, okay, an institution. It was started in 1936. It was started by whom? Here your answer will be Maharshi Karve. So if a question has been given, so please learn that question from different angles, and in your mind also please be creative, like how can they ask this question in a twisted manner. That is it. Next question. Satyashodhak Samaj of Mahatma Phule raised the voice against dash. Women's slavery, religious slavery, social slavery, farmers slavery. Okay. One trick over here is Mahatma Phule, social reformer, social slavery के बारे में बोलेंगे ना. He will not target only any one thing. He will speak about all. Here if we see they are asked about Satyashodhak Samaj. We need to know important points about this Samaj as well. So Satyashodhak Samaj was established in 24th September 1873. Satya Shodhak. Satya means truth. Shodhak means to search, right? Seekers. Samaj, society. Satyashodhak Samaj is also known as Truth Seekers Society. And mouthpiece of the Samaj, what is the name? The name is Deen Bandhu. This is very important. Now if we analyze this question, we come to know if a social reformer has made a particular Samaj, मतलब establish किया हो, इस पे question बनेंगे. So all the social reformers you have to study thus their important Samajas as well. Next question. Which biographer described Shahu Maharaj as the pioneer of making the announcement of arrival of new era? Here your answer is Dhananjay Keer. These two people not important. Option में you have got Maharshi Vittal Ramji Shinde. पहले भी थे. He is an important person. Here just keep the name in your mind. Karve had established Dash society to serve the people. So he had established Nishkam Karma Mandal. All this not essential. Just keep this in your mind. Nishkam Karma Mandal started by whom? Karve. Karve started Dash society to serve the people. Nishkam Karma Mandal. And what is the aim? They can ask you this as well. Aim क्या था? क्यों बनाया? In order to serve the people. These are the three angles how you study one only question. Next question. Agarkar was the editor of which newspaper? Editor newspaper क्या होता है, right? Shatpatre, Harijan, Sudarak, Maratha. Here your answer is Sudarak. Agarkar हमने देखा already. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, important social reformer. Have to study him. And one more aspect we saw. और एक क्वेश्चन काय पे बनते हैं. If newspaper is there, you need to know the newspaper. Editor ना आपको सब पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Once you do 30 या 25 question analysis, you will come to know कि which newspaper is important and which isn't. So Sudarak is one of the most important newspapers. That is the reason they have asked this in depth. Next question. Tilak wrote Gita Rahasya in which jail? Your answer is Mandale. These three ऑप्शन एनालिसिस करना नॉट जरूरी, ऑप्शन एनालिसिस करना भी जरूरी नहीं है. दे कैन आस्क यू तिलक रोट, लोकमान्य तिलक रोट वन बुक इन मंडाले जेल. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द बुक? गीता रहस्य. ओके. गीता रहस्य बुक was written in Mandale jail by whom? By Tilak. Learn Tilak, learn Gita Rahasya, learn Mandale. Important point. Okay. Next question. In which organization Samta Sangh established on 21st April 1944 by Maharshi Karve was included? See, अगर संघ है, they ask the date as well. Especially Maharshi Karve पे इनका फोकस होता है. So this इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन 1. जाति निर्मूलन संस्था. We come to know Maharshi Karve important. If any sung has been started by him, we need to know that as well. महर्षि कर्वे हमने उनका FC कॉलेज देखा था, राइट. देन वी सॉ अबाउट हिज जाति निर्मूलन संस्था, जो भी देखा हमने. देन वी सॉ समता संघ, राइट ओवर हियर. Trust me, all of this now you will find them again and again repeated. So please, make the notes as well also while you are watching the lecture. From where the inspiration of establishing the University of Women on 3rd June 1916 was taken by Maharshi Karve. Again the same person. So option A, America Women's University, Moscow Women's University, Japan Women's University, France Women's University. Your answer is option 3. Japan Women's University. Please keep this in your mind. Here we saw again कर्वे के बारे में देखा. They have asked about the university name. कौन से कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल थे? FC कॉलेज में प्रिंसिपल थे. एक उनका क्या था? जाति निर्मूलन. निष्कम कर्ममठ देखा हमने. समता संघ देखा. Very important points. Next question. From which thesis in economics London University awarded the degree of Doctor of Science, DSc, right, to Dr. Ambedkar in 1923? Option A, Problems of Rupee, The Problems of Money, Administration and Finance at the East India Company, The Evolution and Principal Finance in British India. ऐसे टाइप का क्वेश्चन हमने पहले भी देखा था, राइट. ये दो सेम है, प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ रूपी, प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ मनी. आंसर 110% ये दोनों में से होगा. ये दोनों अपने आप निकल जाते हैं एंड यू कम टू 50-50. योर आंसर इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रूपी. इससे ये पता चलता है डॉक्टर अंबेडकर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पॉलिटी पर्सपेक्टिव ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हिस्ट्री पर्सपेक्टिव ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड लाइक वी सॉ डिग्री पे इनके क्वेश्चन बने हैं. Study his degrees as well. Next question. In which weekly the articles written by Dr. Ambedkar are referred as thoughtful books decorated by beauty of style? 1. Mook Nayak, Bahishkrut Bharat, Samta Patra, Prabhuddha Bharat. Your answer is option 1, Mook Nayak. If we do the analysis, we come to know again a question on Dr. Ambedkar. And they have asked about a weekly newspaper, that is Mook Nayak. These 2 points are important. Next question. Who wrote the book entitled डोंगरीच्या तुरुंगातील 101 दिवस? लोकमान्य टिळक, चिपळूणकर, आगरकर, डॉक्टर आंबेडकर. So your answer is आगरकर. आगरकर, गोपाल गणेश आगरकर wrote the book entitled डोंगरीच्या तुरुंगातील 101 दिवस. एनालिसिस, लोकमान्य तिलक, चिपळूणकर, ये देखा हमने. इन्होंने क्या एस्टेब्लिश किया था 1880 में? पुणे न्यू इंग्लिश स्कूल, राइट. दीज 2 people very important social reforms. Then we see डॉक्टर आंबेडकर, important person. इन पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इससे आपका हिस्ट्री का पार्ट खत्म हो जाता है. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड हाउ एग्जैक्टली द हिस्ट्री एनालिसिस हैज टू बी डन. हियर इफ वी सी एरिया वाइज इंडिया रैंक्स डैश इन द वर्ल्ड, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th. योर आंसर इज 7th. एरिया वाइज इंडिया रैंक्स 7 इन द वर्ल्ड. नाउ योर इससे आपको ये पता चलता है रैंक्स पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं एरिया वाइज. You need to know the 1st to 6th rank as well. They can ask you. So the trick to remember this is RCUC by. RCUC by. R से आता है आपका रशिया, C से आता है कनाडा, U से आता है USA, C से आता है चाइना, बाई ब्राजील, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, इंडिया. Please keep this 7 in your mind and this is the trick. Next question. The Zaskar, Ladakh, Karakoram ranges are in dash Himalayas. Which Himalayas? Kashmir Himalayas. We come to know हिमालय पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. इसके पहले हमने देखा रैंक्स पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं ज्योग्राफी में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डैश इज द हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल इन इंडिया. ऑप्शन ए 1 जोग, नायागरा. I guess here they wanted to say Nayagara, Kapildhara and Shiv Samudra. So here your answer is Jog. Jog is considered to be the highest waterfall in India. But if you Google it, no, yeah, the answer is different. But please go with this only answer if it comes in the paper. Don't go for anything else. Let me tell you, if it is Google versus PYQ, please take this as the answer. This is trustworthy and not this. The highest waterfall in India is Jog. If we do the option analysis, the highest waterfall in India is Jog. हमें ये पता चल गया. They can also ask you in the next paper that where is this located. It is located at Karnataka. In which on which river is Jog located? It is located on Sharavati river. इससे आपका Jog का analysis हो गया. Now in the comment section, do let me know where is Niagara located. Niagara Falls. Kapildhara. If you put this on Google, no, Kapildhara, you will find there is one waterfall at Madhya Pradesh. जिसका नाम Kapildhara है. And there is one waterfall at Beed in Maharashtra. So in case in paper, you find this option के हिसाब से आप अपना आंसर टिक कीजिएगा. ये वन थिंग फॉर श्योर, ये दोनों एक साथ ऑप्शन में कभी नहीं आएंगे. ओके, सो मध्य प्रदेश एंड बीड, ये दो ध्यान में रखिए. इफ दे आस्क यू शिव समुद्र वाटरफॉल, वेयर इज दिस लोकेटेड? इट इज लोकेटेड इन कर्नाटका एंड ऑन द रिवर कावेरी. इससे वाटरफॉल इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी केम टू नो आपको वाटरफॉल पढ़ना जरूरी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द कैटल सेंसस इज कंडक्टेड after every dash years in India. Every 5 years. This is the answer. Your analysis of the options not required. Just keep this in your mind. Next question. The river Shok, Zaskar and Gilgit are the main tributaries of river dash. Here your answer is Indus. If we see most important points about Indus, right? So Indus River originates at Tibetan Plateau near Mansarovar Lake. And हमने यहाँ पे tributaries already देख लिए. Shok, Zaskar, Gilgit. Please keep this tributaries in your mind. Next time ये आपके option में आपको जरूर दिखेगा. If they ask you Kosi, Kosi is also known as the sorrow of Bihar. इस पे क्वेश्चन बहुत बार बनते हैं. Like which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? It is Kosi. And in regards to Ganga, where does Ganga river originate? It originates at Gaumukh in the Uttarkashi district. These are the most important points after doing the option analysis and the question analysis. Next question. Solapur Vijapur Hubli is the national highway dash. Number पूछा है यहाँ पे. So your answer is 13. See, national highways is a very important topic from your exam perspective. Please open 2021 pre. They have asked about NH44. And if you are wondering कहाँ से आया question, क्यों आया, this is already there in the PYQ, national highways. They are telling it from front. Please study national highways and come for the paper. This is the reason why this question was, you can easily solve this question. Next question. Which river is known as sorrow of Bihar? We just studied this prior, जहाँ हमने Indus river के tributaries देखे. There I also told you Kosi river is known as the sorrow of Bihar. So here your answer is Kosi. Next question. In which soil the percentage of iron and aluminium is more? It is your laterite soil. This is important. Next question. The number of wildlife sanctuaries and the area under sanctuaries is more in which state? Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. See, one more trick is, whenever you find in the options Maharashtra, please go for the option Maharashtra. You are preparing for MPSC, right? सो जो पेपर बनते हैं ना यूजुअली इनके ऑप्शंस जो स्टेट से आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं उनके ऑप्शन वही होते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो द आंसर इज महाराष्ट्र. लार्जेस्ट कॉपर प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया इज डैश. कर्नाटका, आंध्र प्रदेश, झारखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश. योर आंसर इज झारखंड. कॉपर सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा स्टेट प्रोड्यूस करता है? झारखंड. Next question. The proposed Jaitapur atomic power project has its location in dash district. Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg, Kolhapur, Solapur. Your answer is Ratnagiri. Very important question. Atomic power projects which are located in Maharashtra are asked in the paper. ये आगे भी पूछे जाएंगे. The largest tunnel on Konkan railway route is at dash. Adavali, Karbude, Diva or Chiplu. The answer is Karbude. Konkan railway forms a very important part of your Maharashtra geography portion. Okay, please study this in depth. And in one paper they have asked you about largest tunnel, right? So इससे ये पता होना चाहिए कि कितना लंबा है ये. It is 6.5 kilometer. Trust me for this was asked in one mains. So if you're studying a question, please study it properly, like in depth. If they are saying this, तो आप उसका length देख लिए, कहाँ है कहाँ नहीं. That is how उसके आगे any question comes from that topic, you will be able to solve. This is what analysis means, and not just reading answer की देख लिए answer Karbude. No, that is not how it works. Alright. Next question: which of the following is known as the Cherrapunji of Maharashtra? Mathेरान, Amboli, Ramtek, Lonavala. Your answer is Amboli. In which district of Maharashtra Ajanta Ellora caves are located? Ajanta Ellora, all of us know it is located in Aurangabad. See, recently I have started a series of economic survey of Maharashtra, and if you see, this point has been clearly mentioned in the overview of the state. ये मैंने कवर किया है लेक्चर में. इफ यू वांट, सो आई हैव मेड अ प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ द ESM सीरीज. दिस इज फ्रॉम द लेक्चर 1. आप जाके जरूर चेक कीजिएगा. इससे आपका ज्योग्राफी पार्ट खत्म हो जाता है. नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद इकोनॉमिक्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स इज उत्तरांचल, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड states were formed in dash 5-year plan. Your answer is 9 5-year plan. And if they ask you 9 5-year plan का duration कब था, कब से कब? It is 1997 to 2002. 1997 to 2002. Please pay attention on the duration. Direct questions इस पे बनते हैं. Rote learn it. Like close your eyes and you need to know the answer. ऐसा ही इसको रट्टा मार के जाइएगा because इस पे question हमेशा बनते हैं. Alright? As per 10th plan of India, duration दिया है 2002 to 2007. Still, the agriculture sector estimates to provide dash percent employment. Here your answer is 50.3. Option analysis not essential. Firstly, if we do the analysis, what do we come to know? Duration कब है? 2002 to 2007 of the 10th 5-year plan. Please study this. And if they ask you what is the core sector, like in the 10th 5-year plan, on which sectors did they focus on? It is agriculture, education and other social sectors. And if any plan is made, they have certain aims or certain objectives, targets जो achieve करने हैं. So in the 10th 5-year plan, the target was reduction of poverty, employment, primary education. Please focus on this. इस पे question already बने हैं. If I'm not wrong, it was in STI means, okay, or Rajya Seva means, one of this paper. And here they had given option cooperatives. Like, the establishment of cooperatives also was one of the aim of the 10th 5-year plan. But this, ये नहीं था. It was only 3 above. A, B, C is right. वैसे kind of question था. Next question. Dash was the first president of the Planning Commission. Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, C.D. Deshmukh, K.C. Pant. Your answer is option A. Was option 1, Shri Jawaharlal Nehru. And when was Planning Commission established? It was established on 15th March 1950. Please focus on the year and please focus on this fact. इस पे question repeat होता है. Next question. First fertilizer plant was established at Dash during the first 5-year plan in India. Bathinda, Sindri, Kochi, Hazira. Answer है आपका Sindri. First fertilizer plant was established at Sindri during the first 5-year plan. Now we have to do the analysis. So first 5-year plan का duration क्या था? Duration था आपका 1951 to 1956. Please focus on this. Now ये question ना बहुत favorite है इनका. That it was based on which model? The first 5-year plan. It was based on Herod-Domer model. Again important. Dam projects were undertaken. आपका जो first 5-year plan है ना, इसमें there were certain dams जिस पे project undertake हुए थे. So it is Kosi, Damodar, Bhakra Nangal and Hirakund. K, D, B, H. Please keep this in your mind. They can ask you कि ये dam के projects कौन से 5-year plan में start किया था, कौन से 5-year plan में undertake किया था. So it is the first 5-year plan. Last point, Sindri fertilizer plant was established at Jharkhand. Please keep Jharkhand in your mind. Recently, I have noticed in regards to economics and like specifically the 5-year plans, no? इनका focus अभी कैसा हो गया? If something has been built, okay, like for example Sindri, if they ask, then they will ask you where is this located. ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस अभी आने लग गए. सो वेन एवर यू फाइंड एनीथिंग लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल डैम्स है ना, नाउ व्हाट आई वांट यू ऑल टू डू इज प्लीज टेल मी ऑन विच रिवर्स आर दिस डैम्स लोकेटेड. आई कैन अश्योर यू ये क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. एंड हीराकुंड एक ऐसा है जहाँ पे हमेशा क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. सो प्लीज स्टडी दिस दैट दिस डैम इज लोकेटेड ऑन विच रिवर एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. एंड इफ दे आस्क यू सिंदरी, यहाँ पे अभी जस्ट पढ़ा, सिंदरी कहाँ पे है आपका? Jharkhand. Next question, the period of 11th 5-year plan. I told you, right? Duration पे question बनते हैं. So the period of 11th 5-year plan is 2008 to 2013, 2009 to 2014, 2007 to 2012 and 2010 to 2015. यहाँ आपका आंसर है 2007 to 2012. Analysis करें, duration important है. One more important point in regards to 11th and 12th 5-year plan. इनका ना focus aim पे होता है. They always ask you इसका aim क्या था, इसका aim क्या था, because ये दोनों का aim is almost same, only one word is different. This is the reason why they ask this, so that you get confused. So the 11th 5 years aim is faster and more inclusive growth. Okay. With this, your economics section gets over, and now we'll be starting with polity. Okay. First question is, which of the following guarantees protection of fundamental rights through judicial intervention? Article 32, Article 25, Article 14, Article 30. Your answer is Article 32. Guarantees protection of fundamental rights through judicial intervention. इससे आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया. नाउ वील डू द ऑप्शन एनालिसिस. यू विल फाइंड द ऑप्शंस व्हिच हैव बीन मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर. ये आपके नेक्स्ट पेपर के क्वेश्चन में होता है, लाइक दे विल आस्क यू व्हाट डज दिस आर्टिकल कंप्राइज ऑफ. सो फर्स्टली फंडामेंटल राइट्स, इफ यू सी इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इट कंप्राइजेस इन पार्ट 3. Please focus on the parts as well. Article 32, what is there in Article 32? You got Brits. Okay, you got Brits, you got fire Brits. Please keep the number in your mind. The next is Article 25. What does Article 25 specify? Or what does it say? It speaks about right to freedom of religion. Article 14, all of us know, right to equality. And Article 30, ये काय के बारे में बात करता है? So this speaks about right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Next question. Which of the following is not an objective of the DPSP, Directive Principles of State Policy? Prevention of cow slaughter, establishment of cottage industries, promotion of international peace, or the last option, abolishing capital punishment? Your answer is abolishing capital punishment. This is not mentioned in the DPSP. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये जो आपके पॉइंट्स है, यू नीड टू नो ये कौन से आर्टिकल में आते हैं, राइट? सो DPSP comprises in part 4. एंड काउ स्लॉटर, द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, ये आता है आपका आर्टिकल 48 में. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज, विच आर्टिकल? आर्टिकल 43. Promotion of international peace, which article? Article 51. And in the comment section, do let me know. UCC comes in which article? Okay. Next question. The Constitution of India was adopted on dash. November 26, 1949, Jan 26, 1949, Jan 26, 1950, or November 10, 1949. Your answer is option 1, November 26, 1949. Next question. Provision regarding fundamental rights are made in dash of the Indian Constitution. Like we just saw, I told you parts are very important, okay? Please keep this in your mind. Keep which topic comes in which part, इस पे question बनते हैं. So fundamental rights are made in part 3 of the Indian Constitution. This is your answer. Now you have to analyze the options. So part 1, that is the union and its territories. This comes in part 1. ये आता है आपका article 1 से 4. Second part is citizenship. It speaks about citizenship. This comprises in article 5 to 11. Part 3, fundamental rights, comprises of 12 to I'm recording. Stop. And if you see part 4 में आता है आपका DPSP, which comprises from 36 to 51 article, and part 4A comprises of fundamental duties, article 51A. Please keep this in your mind. Next question. Judges of the High Court shall be appointed by the dash. Appointment authority पूछी है. Option 1 Supreme Court, Option 2 Governor, Option 3 Chief Minister, option 4 president. I will tell you, people will cancel this and they will get confused over here. Governor and president. Keep this one thing in your mind. हाई कोर्ट हो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो, दोनों को कौन अपॉइंट करेंगे जजेस? प्रेसिडेंट. इट इज़ द सेम. ऐसा नहीं है कि हाई कोर्ट स्टेट में है सो गवर्नर एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट सेंट्रल लेवल पे है सो प्रेसिडेंट. यूजुअली स्टूडेंट्स गेट कंफ्यूज ओवर हियर. सो कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. दोनों है, सेम है. इट इज़ प्रेसिडेंट ओनली. ओके. नाउ इफ वी सी हाई कोर्ट कम्स इन विच पार्ट? It comes in part 6 from article 240 to 231. Please keep this in your mind. And it has been established by which act? It has been established by Indian High Courts Act of 1861. अपॉइंटमेंट कौन करते हैं? जज देखा हमने, प्रेसिडेंट करते हैं. ओके. सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज को कौन अपॉइंट करते हैं? प्रेसिडेंट करते हैं. टोटल हाई कोर्ट्स कितने हैं? 25. एंड विच इज़ द ओनली यूनियन टेरिटरी which has a high court? It is Delhi. These are certain important points. The next question, the governor shall hold office during the pleasure of the dash. President, Parliament, Prime Minister, Supreme Court. Your answer is President. See, for example, I am appointing someone, so इनका pleasure मेरे ही, so they will hold office during my pleasure only, right? Because I am the appointing authority. Likewise, governor is appointed by the president, so he will hold office. So governor will hold office during the pleasure of the president. And if we see, ये कौन से part में आते हैं? Part 6. Appointment. Who appoints? President. This is most important point. Please pick up your Rajya Seva recently 2023. I had already covered this point on the Telegram channel. I vividly remember. I have even put up his picture in order, जो picture का memory है, it will at least remain in your picture and you will remember the person. I had covered 3 points and the question was formed only on those 3 points. I am not lying. You can, go verify it as well. So who is the current governor of Maharashtra? It is Ramesh Bais. Birthplace, where was he born? He was born at Madhya Pradesh. And rank क्या है? He is the 23rd governor of Maharashtra. Alright. The next question. Provisions regarding new local self-governing bodies in urban areas were incorporated in which amendment? 73rd, 74th, 86th or 42nd. Okay. Here your answer is 74th. See, अभी अगर इन्होंने ये पूछा होता न्यू लोकल सेल्फ गवर्निंग बॉडीज इन रूरल एरियाज, मतलब जो गांव में है, उसका आता आपका 73rd. बट इफ दे आस्किंग अर्बन, इट इज 74th amendment. Alright. So 73rd amendment, like I told you, local self governing bodies in rural areas. 74th amendment, local self governing bodies in urban areas. And if we see the 86th amendment, right, option analysis से, so 86th amendment, इससे आपका new fundamental duty was to make education free from age 6 to 14. Please keep this in your mind. Then you have got 42nd amendment. 42nd amendment में क्या हुआ था? There were new words included in the preamble, that is socialist, secular and integrity. इस पे question बनते हैं. Now this is the entire analysis of the question paper. Okay. If we see science, like I told you, cells, eukaryotic, prokaryotic पूछा था, diseases पूछा गया था, right, in regards to malaria. Energy, there was a numerical. Energy पूछा गया था. From chemistry, you had acetic acid, and there were numericals from light. I did not include the numericals because solving, it is just solving, there was no concept behind it where I had to explain. And you also had question on plant kingdom, right? These are the most important topics you have to study. Then we proceed to geography. In geography we saw area and rank पे question बनते हैं, waterfall पे question आया है, river पे question आता है, रिवर पे क्वेश्चन आया है, वी सॉ इंडस पूछा गया था, राइट. देन हाईवे, सोलापुर हाईवे. And then you saw that even in 2021 the topic was repeated. So this is how topics are repeated every year. Soil, very important topic. You will find the questions in pre every alternate year at least. And Konkan Railway. Polity analysis, which topics are important from that fat book of Lakshmikant. Articles, जो आपका fundamental rights था, article 1432 important. DPSP, काउ स्लॉटर 43, 51 से आपका जो पीस आता है. सो DPSP इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू नीड टू नो अबाउट गवर्नर, राइट. यू नीड टू नो द पार्ट्स एंड द प्रोविजंस, क्या इंक्लूडेड है, अमेंडमेंट्स है, एंड अ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर. यू ऑल्सो हैड अ क्वेश्चन ऑन जजेस, राइट, ऑफ हाई कोर्ट. अपॉइंटिंग अथॉरिटी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इन पे बनते हैं. देन वी सॉ इकोनॉमिक्स, 5 year plans, बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस था इन पे. यू हैव टू स्टडी 5 year plans. देन वी सॉ प्लानिंग कमीशन. इफ़ यू सी फ्रॉम हिस्ट्री, आपने विठल रामजी शिंदे, सोशल रिफॉर्मर. लोकमान्य टिळक, अगेन अ सोशल रिफॉर्मर. चिपळूणकर, सोशल रिफॉर्मर. आगरकर, इन रिगार्ड्स लाइक इफ़ यू सी आगरकर, इनके वर्क्स और न्यूज़पेपर पे भी क्वेश्चन था. देन यू सी महात्मा फुले, वर्क्स पे था, राइट. ऑन द प्ले द तृतीय रत्न, उस पर क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. देन दे हैड इवन आस्क्ड ऑन द सत्यशोधक समाज, आई हैव मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर, विच वाज फाउंड बाय महात्मा फुले. तो समाज पे भी क्वेश्चन था. एंड ये बाय मिस्टेक यू हैव टाइप राणा डे, सो इट इज़ पंडिता रमाबाई. ओके, पंडिता रमाबाई पे ऑल्सो देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन वी सॉ. And same, like I told you, the same social reformer was repeated in the 2021 pre, where they are asked about Kesar-e-Hind. Martyr and their dates, Khudiram Bose, Madan Lal Dhingra. Revolts पे question था. So if we see 2011 पे, these topics were extremely important, and you need to know these topics and you have to study it very well. I hope you have liked today's lecture and I have delivered it to my best. I wish you have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.